Hello my friends, welcome to another video review. Today we are talking about Forever Arctic Sea.
I've been diving into the world of nutrition, and let me tell you, omega-3 and omega-9 are game changers. Forever Arctic Sea combines the best of both worlds, fish oils and olive oil, to give our bodies what they really need. Each capsule packs a punch with 225 milliliters of EPA and 150 milliliters of DHA, which are crucial for heart health, brain function, and even joint support. Most of us don't get enough of these essential fatty acids in our diets, but they play a vital role in keeping our cells healthy and our organs protected. Unlike saturated fats, these unsaturated fats can actually help maintain healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels. So, if you want to support your circulatory system and boost your overall health, adding Forever Arctic Sea to your routine is a smart move. It's a simple way to nourish your body and feel your best.